Hey David, how are you doing today? I hope you are having a good week.
Hey Kate, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you? How was your day?
It was very busy, to be honest. I had a lot of work to do, but it's okay. I am just happy because we are in the middle of the week now. My energy is very low.
I understand you completely. My week is also very tiring. I had too many meetings since Monday, and I have a lot of work to finish. I feel like I don't have any time to rest.
Oh, that sounds bad. I am also very busy. I study every evening after work. So when the weekend comes, I really need a good break to relax my mind.
Wow, working all day and studying all night? You really need a break, Kate. Doing too much work can make you very tired. Do you have a plan for this Saturday or Sunday?
Well, I looked at the weather forecast this morning. The weather will be beautiful this weekend. Saturday morning will be sunny and around 24 degrees Celsius. So, I think it is a great idea to go to the park and get some fresh air. What do you think?
That sounds like an amazing idea. Actually, I didn't go to a park for a long time. I always look at computer screens at work. Are you talking about the big park near the city center?
Yes, exactly. The park with the big, beautiful fountain near the main entrance. It gets very crowded and noisy in the afternoon, but it is very quiet and peaceful early in the morning.
That is perfect for me. You know, I don't like crowded places. A quiet morning walk is a very good idea, but I have a small secret. I am not very good at sports, so I hope we will not run or do hard exercises.
Don't worry, all, David. We will not run and we will not play football or tennis. The plan is only to relax, not to get tired. We can just walk slowly, enjoy the green trees, talk, and sit on a bench for a while.
Great. That is exactly my style. I am coming. So, what time do you want to meet? I don't want to wake up too early, but I don't want the hot sun either.
Is 11 a.m. good for you? We can sleep a bit more, have a nice breakfast at home, and meet before the sun gets too hot.
11 a.m. is perfect for me. Let's choose that time. Can we meet exactly in front of the big fountain at the main entrance? It is very easy to find.
Yes, let's meet there. You can find it easily. By the way, if you want to come by bus, you can take the main bus and get off at the Park Street station. The bus stop is right across the street from the park gate.
Excellent. Thanks for the information. I will probably take the bus because finding a parking place there on weekends is very difficult. We will spend a few hours outside. So, do I need to bring anything with me?
Just the normal things. I think you should bring a bottle of water, your sunglasses, or a hat. 24 degrees Celsius sounds cool, but sitting under the sun for 2 hours can be hot.
That's a good point. I will bring my sunglasses. Oh, what about food? Walking always makes me hungry. Should we bring some snacks to eat while we talk?
Oh, that is a wonderful idea. Let me do that. I've had some free time on Friday evening, so I can make some homemade chocolate chip cookies. I know you like them. I will bring them in a box.
Wow, really? Your cookies are the best, Kate. Now, this plan is perfect. I am waiting for Saturday now.
Haha, I'm happy to hear that. Cookies are great with a good conversation. Also, after our walk and cookies, Do you want to drink a cup of coffee somewhere near the park? It can be a nice finish for the afternoon.
I would love to. Actually, you are lucky because a small cafe opened last month. It is in a quiet street, just a 2-minute walk from the park's exit.
Oh, really? I know the places around there, but I don't know this one. Is it an expensive place because it is new?
No, don't worry. My sister went there with her friends last weekend. She said the place is very nice, the coffee is delicious, and the prices are normal and reasonable.
That is perfect then. I always love to try new coffee shops. So let's look at the plan again. We meet this Saturday at 11 a.m. We take a relaxing walk, eat cookies, and then go to the new cafe for coffee.
This is a great plan. I am really looking forward to it. It will be very nice to talk about normal things, not about work or deadlines.
I agree with you completely. Seeing each other outside of work will be very good for us.
Exactly. Well, I should let you study now, and I need to finish a few things before I sleep. Can we talk before Saturday to confirm?
Yeah, sure.
Sounds good. Good luck with your studies tonight, Kate. Have a good week.
Thanks, David. Good luck with your work too. Take care and see you on Saturday.
See you on Saturday. Bye.
Bye.